Welcome everyone to Foxtech, and in today's video we'll be addressing a common issue that many AirPods users face, and that is how you can stop them from falling out of your ears. If you've been struggling with this, do not worry, because we've got some solutions that may help you with the AirPod situation, but at first let me explain how it works. So if you're using the AirPods Pro, you are in luck because the AirPods Pros come with three sides of the buds, which you can change, right? They have to be like this because they have the noise cancellation, so they have to seal your ear properly. And in this case, you can choose from three different sizes, and this makes it super easy to find those that fit you more. However, the situation is a bit different with the standard AirPods, like the first, second, or third generation, because these models only come in one size, and this can be a hit or miss situation depending on your ear shape. Unfortunately, I can't say for certain if you can try the AirPods in the Apple Store, but I think you can, so it's definitely a good idea to test them out in person before you buy. Even so, a few minutes of testing might not be enough, like you'll want to know if they stay in place while you're walking, running, or doing any other activities you typically do. So ideally, borrowing a pair from a friend for a day can give you a better sense of whether they'll work for you. This way you can test them out in various situations and see if they stay inside of your ears. But if you need a quick fix, there are a few other options to consider. One kind of popular option is using ear hooks. These are accessories that attach to your AirPods and loop over your ears to help them secure. On the downside, using ear hooks might feel like it defeats the purpose of having wireless earbuds, but in such cases, it might feel that you're better off with traditional wired earphones, but they get the job done, I guess. Like the AirPods stay in your ear, but obviously it doesn't look that good. And there are other accessories designed to improve the fit of your AirPods as well, but personally I'm not a big fan of them. For instance, you could opt for foam covers or silicone skins. They can provide a better grip in your ears, but again, these add-ons can sometimes take away from the sleek minimal design that makes the AirPods so appealing. If you find these accessories aren't your thing, another option is to consider over-ear headphones, which are a completely different story and wearing experience. However, I understand that if you've invested in AirPods already, you'll likely want to find a solution that works with them specifically. So yeah, adjusting the position of your AirPods can make a big difference, so at first try to find the most natural fit for your ears and make sure they stay put when you move, but if they simply don't fit well, there may be a little you can do besides opting for different ear tips or switching to a different model. So that's gonna be about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.